Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many people face when working on their computers. The problem we'll be tackling today is the issue of missing data on your external hard drive. Picture this. You've been diligently saving all your important files on your trusty external hard drive, only to discover that one day, some of the files are nowhere to be found. Frustrating, right? Don't worry, we've got a solution for you. In this situation, the solution lies in using data recovery software. By utilizing specialized software designed to recover lost or deleted files, you can increase your chances of retrieving the missing data from your external hard drive. These tools are equipped with advanced algorithms that can scan your drive and recover data that may have been lost due to accidental deletion or other issues. Remember, it's important to act fast and avoid writing new data to the drive to maximize the chances of successful recovery. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the solution. When selecting a data recovery software, make sure to choose a reputable and reliable option to ensure the best results. Many data recovery tools offer user-friendly interfaces, making it easy for even non-tech-savvy individuals to navigate the recovery process. By following the software's instructions and allowing it to scan your external hard drive thoroughly, you'll hopefully be able to recover your missing files and breathe a sigh of relief. In summary, facing the problem of missing data on your external hard drive can be stressful, but with the right solution, you can potentially recover your precious files. By utilizing data recovery software and following the necessary steps, you'll be one step closer to resolving the issue. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Remember to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech issues you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy recovering.